Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Consul General Akhilesh Mishra ji, Mr. Preeti ji, and Dr. T.M. Rajam, Sangeeta Shankar, Ragini Shankar, Nandini Shankar, and Ajit Pathak. Friends, this is an evening when North and South coming together. We are very proud to have Dr. T.N. Rajam, like me, coming from Southern India, today giving a performance on Northern classical music. We're very proud to have you, Dr. Rajam, along with you, your colleagues. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Well, friends, this is the weekend we are all celebrating. Celebrating victories, celebrating recognitions. We hear Professor C.N.R. Rao, a good friend of mine, got Bharat Ratna. Then we hear Sachin Tendulkar recognized as Bharat Ratna. Well, amongst us, we have Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Dr. T.N. Rajam. When we celebrate the recognition of science, celebrate the recognition of sports, here is an eminent person taking our rich culture, tradition, music around the world. I would say it is not Padma Shri, it is not Padma Bhushan, it is Vishwa Shri and Vishwa Bhushan taking our culture, our art, and our rich tradition around the world. Dr. Rajam, we are blessed. On the feet of Sharadamba, we have you here, and we are all so blessed that we are going to have a concert by Dr. Rajam and colleagues. Friends, have fun, enjoy the evening, and let us have the program started. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Esteemed friends, we are all extremely happy to present a concert of Indian music for all of you this evening. To start with, we are taking up the rag Gorakh Kalyan.
करे गौन करो हे गुनी, हमी अवाक है शुनी, शुद्ध शुनी. How do you sing, O divine singer? I just listen in a speechless wonder. After this wonderful musical performance by a legend like Dr. N. Rajam, what do I say? I'm truly humbled, feeling totally inadequate to talk about someone like her. But her visit so early in my tenure as Consul General of India in Toronto feels me truly blessed, deeply blessed and privileged, because it's something very, very special blessing that I have received from her. She belongs to Banaras Hindu University, where I was a student, and she was a very eminent, very legendary professor and dean and great guru. In Banaras, there is a saying about great poet Tulsidas ji, who wrote Ramcharitmanas, that Kavita karke tulsi na lase, Kavita hi lasi pa tulsi ki kala.
It's nice to be together on stage, you know. It's in fact, there's a lot of coordination happening, which is between the four of us through the eyes. So that's something, you know, which I always look forward to. And it's fun performing with family. So we, of course, go alone for concerts, but together it's altogether different.
So over a period of time, the smile has become a permanent thing, I guess.
Yeah, because it's enjoyable every time. Of course, because being on stage is nice. The practice part of it is serious. There won't be any smile at that time. Because we really put in a lot of hours into our practice every day.
When you do practice, is it with your entire team or
No. We do learn together, but practicing what we've learned is separate. Because we have to hear ourselves clearly, so that happens only when you practice alone.
That's interesting.
Yeah, but together it never happens.
Yeah, but then how do you get this coordination of everything?
Just happens on the stage. Really, we don't practice this. Four of us together, never. It's always individual.
You just practice it individually and then come on the stage,
Yeah,
and
come on the
coordination
stage.
is perfect.
That's why I told you about coordination. I mean, it's all eye-to-eye contact, and that's how it happens. No practice. You can ask any of them. Absolutely no practice.
That's it.
It was a wonderful experience for me today. I thoroughly enjoyed playing for the very, very knowledgeable audience, and everything had been organized very well. I'll remember this occasion forever. Yeah.
The three generations are performing in Toronto for the first time, and we had an exceptional audience, and it was so loving of, I mean, see how people are to you, that is how you perform. The atmosphere that is given to you is how you perform. So ever since we've come here, we've been looked after so well by you guys that it made us feel so happy, and that's what you could see in the performance throughout, that all of us were really enjoying it.
My experience was really great. This is the first time I'm coming to Toronto, and here there is so much of Indian culture. I mean, it is so rich here. People love their culture. They want more of everything Indian, and we could see that in the audience too, that they really enjoyed what we were playing. They were all sitting in rapt attention, and so it was really nice performing here. We could also give our totally 100%. So me and my sister Ragini, we both are like the best of friends. We share everything with each other, and as children we even used to learn together and practice together.
बहुत अच्छा लगा और पहली बार कनाडा में बजाने का मौका मिला। डॉक्टर राजम जी के साथ तो मैं बहुत पहले से बजा रहा हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ बजाने के यहाँ की ऑडियंस बहुत अच्छी थी, बहुत एंजॉय कर रही थी, जो कि ऐसे वेस्टर्न कंट्री में जल्दी मिलता नहीं है। और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि ये एक मंदिर का प्रांगण है, तो इसमें और भी आंतरिक मज़ा जिसको कह सकते हैं आ रहा था बजाने का।